Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I have brought this new video for all of you, and this video is going to be very interesting and very short. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So all my previous subscribers already know that I had installed Woodman Reload X Android car stereo in my car last summer, and it's been almost 11 months now. And during the hot summers I have noticed that sometimes screen becomes hot, or the system is not responding, lagging, or hangs are there. So I have come up with this small modification in car to keep it cool and quiet. If you have not seen my previous video where I have done installation and review of Woodman Reloadex, please do go through it. So this video is going to be in reverse because I had done already this mod in my car, and then I came up with the idea of making this video for YouTube. I have taken my car's frame fascia, and then I have drilled two holes in the side of AC vent so that a cool air blows over the heat sink of the car stereo, and then two fans will be installed. I have taken CPU fans like these from old computers repairing shop or CPU heatsink. Anyways, you can find it around 50 or 100 rupees. So I have taken two of these kind, and then you'll see there are four wires on this. Others are not useful, only two, black and yellow, will be useful for us. So you can see this yellow and black wire. This I have to take. You have to verify the rating of this CPU fan. It has to be DC 12 volt, because you will be getting 12 volt supply from your battery, and when car is on it may go up to 14 volts in some cars, so the fan should not blow up. So your stereo will have three supply pins. One is plus 12 volt, which is always on even when the car is switched off. Other is ACC pin, where 12 volt is applied only when the ignition is on, or key is in ACC position, like that. And next is the ground pin. So you have to connect this fan two wires, yellow and black. Black will go to ground, and the yellow wire will go on ACC pin. So whenever the supply is available, that is only when the key is in the on position, then only the fan should run. At other times it should be switched off. If you by mistakenly connect it to battery supply, then 12 volt will be always available and fan will always be running, which may drain out the battery. So please make sure you connect to right pin.